In this video, I'm going to show you how to get eagle skins and the materials and recipes in Blox Fruits Roblox, the new update. So, in case you've been trying to get any of the eagle skins, materials, recipes in Blox Fruits, here's the video you need. Make sure you listen till the end because I'm going to explain everything you need to know. So, the first things first, there's been some new content added into the game, and as you have likely heard, it's called the Fruit Progression System. Now, this is basically a new upgrade system tied to the fruit experimentation. Now, to actually be able to get your eagle skins and everything regarding them, what you have to do is you will have to defeat a new boss, a new raid boss, which is called Tyrant of the Skies. Now, where you can actually find them, it's at the Tiki Outpost, and it's basically a boss in there that flies around and uses the eagle fruit. So make sure you go to the Tiki Outpost. It's in the C3, and then over there you can basically just spawn him and then defeat him, and after you do that you'll be able to basically get a lot of different things. So he drops recipes for eagle skins and materials for fruit upgrades, which is of course amazing. Now it also has a rare chance to drop physical fruits, which is also insane, so make sure you go ahead and go over there right now and defeat him and see what all you can get from doing that. Now, the new fruit progression system, as I mentioned earlier, is an upgrade tied to the fruit experimentation. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to speak to the scientist to basically begin experiments tied to specific fruits, and completing these experiments will unlock new fruit upgrades. So upgrading requires materials and fragments to craft, and as I said, a few of these can be basically obtained by defeating the new Tyrant of the Skies at the Tiki Outpost. So once you do that, then of course this will support only 3 fruits right now, so it's gravity and eagle. So basically if you want to get anything regarding eagle, that's what you want to do. You want to talk to the scientists, as I said, and then yeah, in the future updates even more fruits will come and receive upgrades and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. To summarize everything up yet again, what you have to do is you have to just defeat that Tyrant of the Skies. After you do that, you'll be able to receive a lot of different things, a lot of new things in the game, and then you'll be able to get yourself different upgrades and skins and stuff like that by talking to the scientist. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.